hooking, practicing hooking. Look at that, perfect spear. Look at the hook.
Good job, Topeng.
No pressure. You beat me. No pressure.
Chance for 200. Let's see if Pigs can get 200. Yep, still 200. Game đó everybody playing nhạc cớ game đó. Okay. Spirit. Look at that. Walking away with style right there. Thay đổi.
Good job, babe. It's the camera. It's the camera.
Yeah, I know. Every time we take out the camera, I can't win.
But it's okay. You already got 200. One more. Good job, sweet. Second 200 today.
Oh, thank you. Good spear. Good pickup.
Should have waited your 10th frame.
No more.
Hey, look, she's hugging me. Oh, you missed.
I see it.
But, yeah, she's hugging me. That would have been a high 200. Woo! Oh.
Let's try that.
They do smoothie and they put beer in there. Want to try beer? 좀 녹았어? 좀 녹았어? It's the camera.
Oh, yeah, I know. How good camera loss is.
I know. It's okay. We got 200.
Now I need my phone so I can take a picture. They still give me to 200, but which is like a minimum. So at least 250 is what we're shooting for right now. So 如果係龍馬，佢都作250嚟，我俾上我，你想攞嚟嘅喎。 maxed out to 250 each only, so 250 was what I was trying to shoot for. Oh, 200 again. Oh, strike! Whoa! Hooking with the house ball.
That's ugly.
You got a strike. I got 200 with the Zen ball again. No, lúc nói giờ Zen ball đúng rồi, lúc nào cũng play nó Halo all day today play July. Nó play nó Zen ball là gì hả lại? Oh. Oh. Vô tự tao.
Yeah, I can't do
Hước cái house
pocket.
ball hước sơ đi nó là. Mình gãi nửa hước đến mấy của mình gãi một trong thẳng sơ. Yo, ta lô. Đi lấy 140. Whoa. It was the camera. The camera gave you your first strike. This is our first game today. Right now is 6 p.m. Hit that one at the corner, that's the hardest one to get. Wish me luck.
It's the camera.
High five. Oh. Oh, this is the third game. Oh, this is a fourth game. Well, first game I got 200. My second game I got 199. My third game I got over 200 again. And then my fourth game got 219. So over 200 again.
It's the camera.
Camera cái bố nó hay hồi từ tiền hả?
Wait. I need to record Eddie. You mix it?
That's customized. Basic.
Yeah. Yeah, do it. bumping into me. Don't touch me. Is there a camera?
No, sorry, right? 200. That's oh, yo, Chris, oh. Oh, got it. Surprised me there for a sec. Try to get on this is the jump right here, rotor grip jump. Oh. It's a shame. It's a shame. 150 though. 150, not bad. Okay, เป็นของโบลิ่งตาแล้วของน้องเป็นของโบสปริงลิ่งตาแล้วของน้องสแกนก็คือ your 14th place all the way to first place เป็นโบตาเป็นโบลิ่งตาเป็นเราโบชีเป็นเราโบชี one more hour until they close so เป็นโบ until like close okay now sorry เราโบ get some more practice in we need to get better. Oh, so close. Let me get better. Yeah, second game. After maybe a couple lead. Second game. Spear. There it is. Good spear. Oh, man. You missed it.
I used to be good at those.
Oh, almost. 115. Okay, we're about to finish up our third game. After bowling league, we'll play big game. This is our third game right here. After this game, then they're gonna close and we're gonna have to go home. Good spear. Good spear. Okay, that is it. 154.
Legend. 腿luôn.
Boom! Strike! Chris with the strike. Chris chạy nó bị quá. Chris chạy nó bị quá. Chris gonna beat me right now, you guys. He spares that. He beat me by 1 point. Okay. Oh, there it is. Oh, okay, he got it. He got the spare. 213 for Chris. 213. Good strike. Yeah, good finish, good finish. 29 for Peyton. I'll go bowling. Oh. Good strike. That's the Roto Grip Gem.
Yeah, a lot win.
Good strike. Come on, get that turkey.
Take it to the win.
Almost.
Strike there.
Now look at whoa, your husband's 200 right here. Yep. Yeah, being your enough. Come on, another strike. Oh, off a little bit. Oh, didn't get turkey in the 10th frame. But still got 200 already. This is our 6th game. Spare. Spare. Good spare. Come on, strike. Oh, split. Okay.
Damn.
120. Ready? Okay, so got my new ball, my fourth bowling ball. I got Roto Grip, the UFO alert. Okay, so I have it drilled as pin down, so it's supposed to work a little bit earlier in the lane. So just got it right now. I'm gonna try it out and see how it looks like. Okay. go.
Yes.
Wow. A UFO. 223. 223. On the UFOs. UFO alert. Should have gotten better. Whoa, no spare. Almost.
It's the camera.
That's it. 213. Right? 213.